Hello everyone. Today I will introduce a cloud-native approach for test automation in Kubernetes named kubeta. kubeta allows you to easily trigger and execute tests seamlessly both inside and outside in CI/CD pipelines. Moreover, it enables you to retrieve test results efficiently, providing instant access to logs and artifacts for faster debugging. In addition, kubeta leverages Kubernetes native scaling to execute test cases in parallel. Finally, it supports subset testing, allows you to run specific test cases instead of full test pipelines to save time and resource. This demonstration will cover two approaches to running test cases in Kubernetes environment. The first is the traditional method. The second is with our test tool, kubeta. Regardless of whether kubeta is used, testers must to design and implement test cases to cover the functional performance or integration testing. The test cases is some script or some robot cases based on the automatic framework. After that, the test cases need to package it into container images using tools like Docker or Podman. And these Docker images need to push to the container registry. And if you want to execute test cases, you need to set up the test pod and orchestrating test execution using custom script. And for the test pod deployment, we need to the definition YAML file for the deployment test pod. This YAML defines Kubernetes pod configurations using Helm template. It will create test container with predefined test image and the resource definition, volume definition, something like that. After that, the test pod can be created with the Helm chart. Once the test pods are defined, testers need to write the extensive script to execute the test cases. This script handles the tasks such as controlling execution order, monitoring test progress, and collecting the test result. For example, here we use this deploy shell script to start the test execution, and the execute shell script to start the test cases. Then this collect logs to record the test result. And after that, we can use the clean script to recover the environment. And here, we need to pay attention that if the cases is the parallel cases, we need to do the resource isolation in parallel execution for the traditional testing in Kubernetes. For example, when multiple test cases sharing resources such as database CPUs, the manual management is required to prevent the conflicts. Then let's demo the kubeta. First, make sure the kubeta service is running in the background. After the kubeta is started, now apply our test CI YAML. Here, first, let's check the test CI YAML file. Pay attention to the test scope. This is the test container image with the corresponding tag version. And here is our demo example case. If you have multiple test cases, you can put your test case type here. After that, we can apply it. Then the kubeta will handle the test execution, monitoring, and result collection automatically. Now we can see the case controller and the test report controller. is already in the running status. The test case pod is also running. When the test case is finished, we can get the result from the test report CR. First, let's check the CRD to get the test report CR name. Here is our test report CRD. We need to define the namespace, and this is the test report CR. We can get the content in the test report CR for our test status. Now let's use the YAML format. And in example cases, we define the test to measure the network traffic between two pods using perf. We can see the case result detail information. From the metadata, we can see the timestamp and the description. And on the specific field, we can see the case ID, case name, and case result, case type, and also the through output data, the received bits. Finally, we can use this clean script to clean the test pod resource and recover the environment. Now let's demo how parallel test execution works in kubectl. By defining multiple types in this test case scope. Here we can see we define the two types of cases which will be tested. By specifying the multiple test case in this section, kubectl will execute them simultaneously using the separate test pod. Let's check the test pod under the kubectl namespace. We can see these two pods was created, and each cases will run in this separate test pod in parallel. And Kubernetes schedule this pod based on the available resource. Once the test case finished, we can also check the test result from the test report CR. And by using kubectl, you only need to define the test cases you want to execute in this test CR YAML file and apply it. You can focus more on your test case design and implementation. That's all. Thank you.